This is a 2017 Sanibel 3551 39-foot fifth wheel. This comes with 3 slides. Frameless tinted windows, power awning, central vac system, 3-door stainless steel refrigerator, island kitchen with Korean counters, leather love seat recliner, leather sofa sleeper, HD TV over fireplace, separate pantry, beautiful kitchen cabinets as well. Walk around king bed. Here is your washer and dryer prep. Additional HD TV as well in the bedroom. This also has an extreme thermal package for all weather living. For more information, just give us a call at 360-314-6141. And I would like to say welcome to Annie's RV in Vancouver, Washington.